Ayan po, ang ganda naman dito. Ayan yung fog. Even the gasoline station. Okay, say hi to my vlog again. Alvarez. Mike is beauty salon. Ayan. Mga vloggers. Nathan Danton. Hair sports. Ayan ang fog again. Ayan. Nagpapawisan kami sa fog or sa hamog. Ayan yung sun, oh. Sunrise. Napakaganda naman dito sa lugar na itong Kaybagan yata ito. I haven't seen there before when I got here again. Bata pa ako. I haven't seen there. Parang nag-tricycle na kami at some kind of sasakyan. Kotse or auto. My dad. My tatay again. They're still driving. Hell yeah. Toyota Corolla. And then so, ang dami na naging sasakyan. Ang pamilya namin. My goodness. Okay. Bye-bye. So hi to my auto detailing shop again. I don't know. Pero magaling naman siya na gumawa ng sasakyan. I think so. Okay, bye-bye.